Hey there, wake up. I know you still asleep. No, I know. You can't be asleep if you're looking at this. But I want to wish you a happy birthday today. 45 years old. That ain't old. 45 years old. I'll be 50, but you 45. And I want to thank, I thank God that He kept you around. I know you had some uncertainties last year with your health and everything like that, but I didn't die. There was no doubt in my mind that you would make it to see another birthday. Very, very important day for you. And so I just want to wish you a happy birthday again. Let you know that you are a beautiful woman. As a matter of fact, when I met you, when we were like young spring chickens, you were a beautiful and very pretty woman then, but you are beautiful and glamorous, and just beautiful and glamorous and fine and glamorous and beautiful and glamorous and beautiful and fine. Now, more now than you were when I met you. And I thank God for that. That means He kept you. So you enjoy your own day today. I promise I'll do my best not to get on your nerve. I'll beat Matt if he gets on your nerve. And but I want you to enjoy your day today. Relax. Let me know what you want to do, and I'm here for you. Happy birthday, sweetie. And I just want to tell you that I love you. Bye bye.